This is the shoulder routine. It helps the shoulder strength, mobility, and the stability. So we'll do a couple of them that are basic and then a couple that are additional if you want to add it in. Use some bands. At first use some lighter ones and then later on you can progress into heavier ones. But make sure you always have a good technique. If the resistance is too high and it doesn't allow you to have a good technique, then go back into the lighter band that is not with such resistance. So first one, also you can be standing, you can be kneeling down or even down like this, up to you. The important thing is that you don't bend in your back, you keep your ribs down, chest is down as well. Stabilize your core, activate it, so you are more stable, you are not rocking anywhere when you are doing the movement. You don't have so much resistance at first. Now you reach up with your hands and then move down just behind your neck. You don't go so far behind, just behind your head and back up. Again, keep your thumbs up. It's important that you reach up, but as you go down, you don't keep your shoulders up. You go down with the scapula, so your scapulas are moving upward and downward. You're not moving much of that when you go down. Second exercise, you hold your band like that, move back behind you. Again, palms are facing forward and thumbs are up. At least a little bit of less resistance. Try to find a good stretch. Maybe it's somewhere a little bit above the horizon. Again, do not arch in your back. We want chest facing still down. And then you make a big circle, going as far as you can and back up. Again, let the band stretch your arms forward and back. When you go back, do not arch. Third exercise, you may or you may not use the band, up to you. At the beginning, maybe you don't have to. Later on, use the band as well. I will show it with the band. You will already feel a little bit of resistance as you are in the original position, again in the all fours. Activate your core, your neck is up, and then you move again the scapulas along the rib cage. Go down and up, push away from the floor. Fingers are still pushing into the floor. So that was third exercise. Then you can add internal and external rotation. Use a towel, because during this exercise it's very important that you keep your elbow by your side. And you just rotate in the shoulder joint internally, like this. If the resistance is too much, then you might see your wrist doing this. We don't want that. We want to be moving only in here. So that's the internal rotation. Then you will do external rotation. You might have to move the position. I will just switch the arms. And then again, elbow is stuck in your side, rotating outward, away from your body. Again, I'm not doing this with the wrist, it stays stable.